Hello students, welcome to St. Joseph YouTube channel. I hope you all are good and safe at your home. First of all, I would like you to congratulate and welcome in class 8th. Here I am Maut Mishra going to teach you math for class 8. But before starting, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more further updates. In this, I am using book Essential ICSE Mathematics which we are using in our school. In the previous classes also you have used same publisher book Bharati Bhavan. A. Das Gupta. Author is our A. Das Gupta and A. Kumar. So first chapter of the math in 8th class is ideas of sets. So today we are going to cover all these topics. First one is what is sets. I think all of you know what is sets. There are two types of methods. Roasted method or tabular form are the same one. Rule method or set builder form. Type of sets, today we will discuss only three type of sets: finite sets, infinite sets and empty sets. So what is sets? You are already familiar with some basic concepts of sets. So here sets is a set is a collection of distinct object is a set. Distinct object means a set is a collection of well defined element, we can say. Suppose you are having a certain elements, the collection of these certain elements is called your sets. If in the video, if one can decide with absolute certainty whether a particular object is a member of the collection, same thing, that if you are having a collection of element or certain collection of elements, call your set. Example, the set of all integers. So we are defining here by an integer, and all the integers combining making a collection is called sets. The sets of vowel of English alphabets. Second point, a set is usually represented in the tabular form or in the set builder form. There are only two forms to representing the set is tabular form and a set builder form. Other name of these two is roasted method and the rule method. Here you can see roasted method and the rule method. First one is roasted method or a tabular form. In this method, the member of a sets are listed. We are only listing the elements or the members in a curly braces or in a bracket. See the example, first five even numbers. So all of you know what are the even numbers. And first five even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is our elements and we are representing in a curly braces. This is we call our tabular form. Days in a week, all of you know how many days are there in a week. 7. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, Sunday. Second point is, I think, very important. In a tabular form, we do not repeat any element. I'm repeating one again. We do not repeat any element. Suppose I have taken the example here. B is a set of all digit numbers. Here all are the digit is here: 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, 9, 4, 9, 5, 4, 3. I have taken digit number here and this digit is making a set B. So remind this point, we do not repeat any elements. So what are the sets of B here? The set of B is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. If you see here, 4 is coming 3 times, but we are representing only 1 time. So no repetition is there in a set, in a tabular form only. Next one is our rule method or a set builder form. In the tabular form, we are only representing or we are only the listing the elements. But here we will rule method or in a set builder form, here we will show their property or common property. We can represent a set by stating property which its element satisfy. Common property. See the example. A is a set of 2, 4, 6, 8. Here the elements are 2, 4, 6, 8. but in the rule method or in the set builder form we have to represent it by using their common property or stating a property. So 2468, even number. So x is in an even natural number, but x is equal to and less than 8. Or if you want to write, you can write x is less than 10, or x is less than equal to 8. Both are the same thing. Next example. B in a sets Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So how you have to write in the rule method or set builder form? Days of week. B is a set of days of week. Some special sets. N state the set of natural number. W state the set of whole number, and Z state for the integer number. For the integer number we are using I also. Here some of the soft example I have taken to make you understand easily. First method is our roasted method or a tabular form. So see the first question. The set of the month in year that end in the letters Y. So total 12 months are there in a year. So how many months are there in which the last letter is Y? So we know January, February, May, and July. Second one, the set of odd number between the 10 and 20. So how many odd number between the 10 and 20 is 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. And how we have to represent in the tabular form or roasted method in a curly braces or bracket. Next one is our set builder form or rule method. The set of factor 25. So properties here is factor of 25. We can simply write x is a factor of 25. Next question is a set of prime number between 20 and 30. How many prime numbers between 20 and 30? So for that we are using the specific 20 is less than x and x is less than 30. X is a prime number where 20 is less than x and x is a less than 30. Type of sets. Today only we are going to discuss about three type of sets: infinite sets, finite sets, and empty set. First one is finite set. If the number of the element of a set is finite, is called our finite set. If suppose we are having any sets and it is countable, then it is your finite set. What is your infinite set? A set that does not have a fixed number of element. I think some mistake is here, spelling mistake. A set that does not have a fixed number of element is called your finite set. Suppose I told you that first five integer numbers. So here you can count the set first five integer number. So this one is your finite set. And if I say that all the integer numbers, so all the integer number is your infinite sets. What is your empty sets? The sets which contain no element is called your empty set or a null set. Empty set we can represent like this also, or this one also. The second name of empty set is your null set. Here students, I have given you some assignment which I want you make and copy and do it in your copy. I have pasted the question of your book only. So I want you to make a proper copy so that after whenever our school will open, I will see and check this assignment. So this two one or this PDF file I will send in your WhatsApp group also. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.